What's going on, people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I want to do is go through 10 of the best AI tools that I'm personally using at the moment when it comes to helping me with the different digital products that I'm building and launching on a regular basis. Now, I know a lot of you watch me because you want to start building a digital product business, but you're not really sure of exactly where to begin. And my personal opinion is that you need to figure out which AI tool is going to be the best one for the situation that you're in, for the type of digital product that you're looking to sell. So today's video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to give you 10 different options. You may want to use 2 of them, 3 of them, 5 of them, or maybe even 10 of them. But my main goal with this video is to give you a firm understanding as to how all of these different AI tools work. And most importantly, how they're going to be able to help you on your digital product journey. So let's jump straight into one of the first AI tools that I want to show you, which is this one over here called Digital Maker AI. Now, for full transparency, this is an AI app that I built myself. It took me a couple months for me to build it, and I put a lot of time into it. And we've been able to grow this to thousands and thousands of active users on a regular basis. And the reason for that is because it's one of the only AI tools out there that's going to help you if you're a complete beginner when it comes to being able to build digital products and also sell them in the most effective way possible. Now, at the time of me making this video, it's free for you to use. There's going to be some upgrades that I'm going to make to it over time. So if you want to check it out, now's probably the best time to do so because you're not going to have to pay anything, but that might not be the case forever. I'm going to leave it linked down below. As you can see, this is the homepage over here. And I'm just going to quickly walk you through some of the things that it's able to do and how you can use it specifically when it comes to digital product creation. So all you need to do is click that top link in my description and then click on get started for free. And then it's just going to be a case of you creating your account and signing up. And once you've verified your account and you've logged in, this is the main interface that you're going to see. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through all of these different features on the left-hand side over here. Let's start off with one of the first ones, which is the AI chat feature. Now, this works like any regular AI tool in the sense that you can have a conversation with it. But the main difference with this one and the reason why this one's unique is that it's going to be focused on helping you specifically when it comes to digital products. A lot of the AI tools that we all use on a regular basis are focused on so many different things, but this one has been trained when it comes to the highest quality information to help beginners out, or even people that have been building digital products for years go to that next level. You can have basic conversations with it. You can have advanced conversations. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I can ask a simple question like, what are the top 10 digital products to sell in 2026, and then click on enter. And right there, as you guys can see, it's instantly going to come back with different ideas that I'm going to be able to choose from. And of course, from that point, I'm now going to be able to continue the conversation when it comes to knowing the best steps to take when it comes to building and launching any one of these. But moving on to one of the next features, which is the prompt builder feature. Now, this is one of my favorite ones because with this one, you're able to generate custom prompts for any one of these different AI tools. A lot of people use various different AI tools incorrectly because they're not prompting it in the right way. So by using this, you're going to be able to answer certain questions, and then at the end of it, you're going to be given a custom prompt that you can now copy and paste into your favorite AI tool. For example, if we click into ChatGPT, just to kind of give you an idea, one of the first questions is what type of digital product do you want to make? So if I select this one, there's going to be some other questions that I'm going to need to answer for it to know exactly what I'm trying to do. Moving on to one of the next ones, which is product research. Now, this one's really powerful because you're basically able to copy and paste any URL for any digital product, and it's going to give you a replication score and let you know if it's likely for you to replicate that digital product or not. So this is something I've been using for many years. So I thought, you know what, let me integrate it as a feature in this app. Moving on to one of the next features, which is competitor analyzer. Now this one's super powerful because with this one, you're able to again, copy and paste a competitor's URL. And by the way, not just digital product websites, but any website, you're going to be able to paste the URL in here and it's going to give you estimated organic traffic numbers as well as the estimated revenue numbers as well. I've got another video coming out real soon when it comes to me deep diving into exactly how you can use this if you're new to all of this. But in the meantime, if you want to sign up for free, I'm going to leave it linked down below, top link in the description. But moving on to one of my second favorite AI tools, which is Hostinger's AI website builder. Now, if you're a long-time viewer, you would already know that this is a tool that I've been speaking about for many years now. But the reason why I like it is because if I want to build a website super quick, I'm able to go directly on to Hostinger and get a website made literally within a minute, maybe two. And because the package that I'm personally on is the business website builder, as you can see, I'm able to build up to 50 different websites. I'm also able to get all of these features when it comes to making sure that my site is functioning in the best possible way. There's so many different AI features that's going to be integrated. And with these 50 websites, you're going to be able to make them be live all at the exact same time. So this is something I would definitely recommend if you're new to building websites and you don't want to have to deal with coding, you don't want to have to deal with developers, and you don't want to have to go onto sites like Fiverr when it comes to finding someone overseas to help you build a website, because with this one, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is create your account. From there, just enter a brand name for your website as well as a short description. And from there, what Hosting is going to do is come back with a fully functional website. Everything is going to be formatted in the right way. The header, the body of the website, the footer of the website, the sales pages, the blog page. There's so many different things that you're able to do with it. The AI blog writer, the AI SEO assistant, the list goes on and on, to be honest, but this is definitely an AI tool that I would recommend that you use in 2026. But moving on to the third AI tool, which is one that I'm surprised that I'm using so much in 2026 because I wasn't really using it back in 2025 that often, which is Claude AI. Now, you know what I find really interesting is that I get a lot of comments from people that believe that I'm sponsored by Claude, when in reality, I've never spoken to them. I pay for Claude myself. And the reason why I speak about it so positively is because I'm actually blown away by what it's able to do. Of course, there's pros and cons when it comes to using it, just like any other AI tool. But the main pros that I've come across is the fact that it's able to build digital products from scratch. Of course, if you're able to enter in the right prompt. And things have now been taken to the next level with their upgraded model, which is Opus 4.6. This is the latest one at the time of me making this video. And it's really powerful when it comes to being able to make simple digital products. Like, for example, if you wanted to make a spreadsheet, you're going to be able to first and foremost go over to Digital Maker AI. Use it when it comes to getting a custom prompt. Just tell Digital Maker AI what type of spreadsheet that you want. Do you want it to be a Google Sheet? Do you want it to be an Excel spreadsheet? From there, you're going to answer the remaining questions and you're going to be given a prompt that you can now copy and paste into Claude. Wait 5 or so minutes and you're going to be given back a fully functional, high quality spreadsheet that people will be more than happy to buy. There's so many different websites that are doing this right now and they're able to succeed. A lot of people don't think that this is possible. You know, there's this one that I was able to find that when I copied the URL, pasted it into Digital Maker AI, it came back with the estimated revenue. And the fact that they're doing this all through digital products is truly mind-blowing. But let's move on to the fourth AI tool that not that many people know about yet, but you should know because of what it's able to do, which is Horizons. Now, Horizons is a powerful tool for so many different reasons, and that's because it's able to do so many different things. Mainly, it's able to help you when it comes to building web applications, websites, and it's also able to build interactive digital products. And the way that it works is so straightforward. Just like any other AI tool, you're going to go directly onto it, you're going to give it the right prompt, and it's going to go straight to work to start coding everything out in a matter of minutes. And because I've got another detailed video coming out about Horizons real soon, I'm not going to spend too much time on it today. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because you're definitely not going to want to miss that. In terms of what it's able to do, it's perfect for beginners, and it's a tool that can definitely fast track you when it comes to getting a digital product business up and running. But let's move on to the fifth AI tool that's going to be perfect for 2026, which is Gamma. Now, Gamma, for those of you that don't know, is a AI tool that I use when it comes to generating high quality ebooks, as well as high quality info products. Until this day, I've not really seen anything else like it in the way that it works, because what you're able to do is go directly onto it. Of course, once again, enter a prompt. So in this case, I'm going to say that I want to make this specific video info product. So I'm going to give it all the information for what I want it to make. And then from there, what it's going to do is that it's going to write out everything word for word. So I don't have to do this. I don't need to sit here and write every single thing. It's gone straight to work to do it for me. And the good thing about it is that it's really flexible. If there's anything you want to change, you're able to do it literally straight away. You don't need to go through any loopholes to make any adjustments. If you want to update any of the pictures, if you want to update any of the text, you're going to be able to do it with a click of a button. So yeah, Gamma is what I personally use when it comes to making ebooks. It's what I recommend people to use as well, because you can get ebooks made super quick. Test it out, see if it works. If it doesn't, you can move on to the next, but you're not going to spend months and months writing out ebooks or writing out the foundation of a video info product. But right now, most of you are probably thinking, but Sam, how exactly can a presentation slide on Gamma be turned into a video info product? Well, this now brings me on to the next AI tool that I want to share with you guys, which is Descript. So Descript is a very interesting tool for so many different reasons, but the main reason is that you can use it when it comes to helping you generate videos to generate traffic for your digital products. But in addition to that, you can also use it when it comes to making digital products, because as you can see over here, there's this feature where you can turn presentation slides into videos. And because they've got so many different AI features, let's say if you're someone that doesn't want to use their own voice, you're going to be able to go onto their AI library, see all of their different AI voices that's available, and then apply it to your video info product that you've just made. Or of course, you can use your own voice. You're going to be able to use the AI coach or AI assistant on the right hand side when it comes to telling it what you want to do, changes that you want to make. It's basically an AI video editor. And there's going to be some more steps that goes into this entire process. And this is something that I actually break down in detail in my step-by-step blueprint. You're going to find it linked down below. It should be the second link in the description. I show you exactly how you can complete the process of building your faceless AI digital product and what you need to do when it comes to listing it for sale and then using Instagram as well as Meta for you to get traffic. So if you want to check that out, it's going to be linked down below. But on to the 7th AI tool that's doing really well this year because Google has made some massive upgrades to it, which is NotebookLM. Now, when I first heard about NotebookLM, I would say a year ago, I didn't think anything of it because I saw it as an AI tool for students. And because I don't go to school, I didn't think there was any benefit in me using it, when in reality, there's so many different features to it that's going to help any beginner out when it comes to launching a digital product. The way that NotebookLM works, for those of you that don't know, is that you can program it by giving it a specific source. And once you program it, you're now going to be able to tap into the power of Google when it comes to using it to help you break down the step-by-step structure of building out and selling a digital product. This might sound a little bit confusing, but it all comes down to, once again, giving it the right prompt. Once you give it the right prompt, it's going to take you through a step-by-step process. But that isn't even the best part about NotebookLM. I would say the best part about it is going to be the studio features. So on the right hand side over here, you're going to see all of these different options when it comes to what you're able to use NotebookLM for. So if you wanted to, let's say, make an AI podcast with 2 different hosts talking about a specific topic, where they can even mention you by name or mention the specific situation that you're going through, you're going to be able to use audio overviews. If you want to make a video, maybe a mini course, you're going to be able to use video overviews. And the best part about NotebookLM is that it's completely free for you to use. You can make infographics with it, you can make mind maps, you can generate reports, data tables. I would definitely say that it's underrated in the way that it works or the way that it's perceived, because most people don't really know how to use it. But I promise you, if you're able to give it the right prompt, you're going to be blown away by what it's able to come back with. But this now brings me on to the 8th AI tool that I'm using more and more these days, which is Google Gemini. Now, Google Gemini actually connects directly to NotebookLM. Google actually made a recent integration where you can do everything you need to do on NotebookLM, and then from there you can go over to Google Gemini, and there's going to be an option for you to select NotebookLM, select exactly what you was working on, and then from there you can now take things to the next level. I use this feature all the time for so many different use cases when it comes to building different interfaces for me to get the information that I'm looking for. And the reason for that is because Gemini is directly connected to Google, which means that if you're ever looking to do research, being able to combine the power of NotebookLM, or even just going directly onto Gemini, asking it to give you back all the information you need, you know that you're going to get information directly from Google, which is the biggest search engine in the entire world. But swiftly moving on to the 9th AI tool, which is Nano Banana. Now, I had to put this one in the list because when it comes to running any type of digital product business, you're always going to need some sort of images made, whether that's going to be for organic content, maybe mockups, or even paid content. Images are always going to be part of the process when it comes to digital products. Now, when it comes to using Nano Banana, you can go directly onto the Gemini interface. That's one way that you can do it, but it's not the way that I would recommend. I would recommend going over to a site called Flow. You can find it by going over to labs.google/flow. This is the site that you're going to see. This is where you're going to be able to access the highest quality of Nano Banana. And again, it's able to do so many different things when it comes to image generation. If you want to use it when it comes to, let's say, making a main cover image for your website, you're going to be able to do that. If you want to use it to make a logo, you can do that. If you want to use it when it comes to content that's going to go onto your website, you can also do that as well. And you're also able to use it when it comes to meta image ads or any type of static image ad that you're going to be running. Where most people get stuck is not really knowing exactly which prompts to give it when it comes to making a certain type of image. Because yes, it can do all the work when it comes to giving you a high quality, well-designed image, but you're going to have to tell it exactly what to do. And with Digital Maker AI, there's a new option here when it comes to making prompts for Nano Banana. So all you need to do is select what type of content you're looking to make. Let's say if it's going to be paid, you're going to select the platform that you're going to be running the image ad on. It's going to take you through a couple of different questions. You're going to give it information about what you're looking to sell. And then from there, you're now going to be able to get the best quality prompts when it comes to the images that you're going to make using Nano Banana. But this now brings me on to the 10th and final AI tool, which is Google's Antigravity. Now, this is definitely one of the most powerful AI tools that I've come across in terms of what it's able to build. You can use it when it comes to building websites, mobile apps, games. You can use it when it comes to building web applications as well. The list goes on and on in terms of the capabilities of Antigravity. I personally use it when it comes to building and launching multiple different web applications that help me promote digital products on the internet 24/7, 365 days a year. And the process to being able to do this and use Antigravity for completely free is something that I showcase in one of my latest videos. You're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this, because that video has helped out countless people. I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time walking you through the fine details. If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.